When we fled to southern Gaza, we faced the risk of being drowned by floodwaters caused by heavy rain. So now, I chose to set up my tent on this higher ground. Rainwater and sewage have entered our tent, severely affecting our lives. With the drainage system being destroyed, the cold weather, and the lack of clean drinking water, viruses are spreading rapidly. Today, I took my daughter to the hospital. The doctor told me that the unclean drinking water and the sudden drop in temperature are the biggest cause of her illness.